My name is My name is Umman and I am class 5th. My class name is the Jayvardhanan classes. I can speak English. मी इंग्रजी बोलू शकते. I cannot speak English. मी इंग्रजी बोलू शकत नाही. Can I speak English? मी इंग्रजी बोलू शकते का? When can I speak English? Where can I speak English? How can I speak English? Why can I speak English? मी इंग्रजी केव्हा, कुठे, कसं आणि का बोलू शकते? We can I speak English? We can speak English. आम्ही इंग्रजी बोलू शकते का? बोलू शकतो का? शकतो. We cannot speak English. आम्ही इंग्रजी बोलू शकत नाही. Can we speak English? आम्ही इंग्रजी बोलू शकतो का? When can I speak English? Where can I we when can we speak English? Where can we speak English? How can we speak English? Why can we speak English? आम्ही इंग्रजी केव्हा, कसं, कुठे आणि काय बोलू शकते? You can I speak English? You can speak English. You can speak English. You cannot speak English. You can you speak English? When can you speak English? Where can you speak English? Why can you speak English? How can you speak English? He can I speak he can speak he can speak English. He cannot speak English. He can he speak English? When can he speak English? Where can he speak English? How can we speak English? Why can we speak English? She can speak English. She cannot speak English. Can she speak English? When she can speak English? When can she speak English? Where can she speak English? How can she speak English? Why can she speak English? It can speak English. It cannot speak English. Can it speak English? When can it speak English? Where can it speak English? How can it speak English? Why can it speak English? They can speak English. They cannot speak English. Can they speak English? Where can they speak English? Why can they speak English? How can they speak English?
Very good. Very nice. फिर से नाम बताना. एक मिनिट. तुम्हाला नोन वाटेल लेकरांनो, तिला मराठी बोलता येत नाही. तिला हिंदी बोलता येते चांगलं. तिला मराठी शब्द आपल्यासारखे येत नाहीत. सही ना बेटा? हा. परंतु तरी सुद्धा तिने सगळं मराठीमध्ये ट्रान्सलेट केलं. इंग्रजीमध्ये सांगितलं आणि मराठीमध्ये ट्रान्सलेट केलं. आपली बोली भाषा मराठी, आपण मराठीमध्ये व्यवस्थित बोलतो. ती हिंदीमध्ये सुंदर बोलते. जोरदार टाळ्या वाजवा त्या लेकरांसाठी.